Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You secure the gallery without touching surfaces. This preserves evidence and respects legal boundaries. Once done, notify law enforcement or a qualified conservator so trained technicians can handle collection. Make sure to record who was present and the environmental conditions, temperature, lighting, and recent cleaning can matter. Do not attempt to lift prints yourself. Improper handling destroys them and can invalidate later analysis. These first actions protect chain of custody and preserve options for forensic processing. You should understand what professionals will do and why. First, they use careful photography and alternate light to locate possible prints non-invasively, which avoids damage. Once documented, trained analysts choose appropriate powders, chemicals, or lifting materials based on substrate and conservation concerns. These are technical choices made to preserve artifacts while revealing ridge detail. Make sure to maintain documentation standards, scales, orientation markers, and metadata. Because context is essential for later comparison, you maintain the scene until professionals arrive, restricting access and avoiding cleaning or rearranging objects, which protects evidence integrity. Once investigators take over, supply any visitor logs, CCTV, and handling records to support analysis. If accidental contamination happens, be transparent. Document what was touched, when, and by whom, because honest reporting preserves investigatory value and credibility. Remember one key troubleshooting tip. If prints seem compromised, prioritize detailed photographic records. High-quality images can recover value even when physical recovery is limited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.